Sections let you create full-width areas on your web page, making it easy to separate content and build clear, visually engaging layouts. Here's an example of sections in use. Each section spans the full width of the page and can contain text, images, and other components. You can use full-width color sections, split sections with 2 colors, sections combining images and color, map sections for locations, or full-width background images and maps to create strong visual breaks across your page. To add a section, click the full-width Add button, then select the desired option from the list. When you add a section, you can choose from several different section layouts. A full-width color section lets you add a solid color background that stretches across the entire page. You can also split a section into 2 colors, which works well for side-by-side content. Another option is a split section with a background image on one side and a color on the other, combining visual impact with readable content. You can also choose a section split between a map and a color area, ideal for displaying locations alongside information. A full-width background image section allows you to add a large image that spans the width of the page with content placed on top. You can also add a full-width map section to clearly highlight your location. Once a section is in place, click the Add option button inside the section to add text, images, and other components. To add a new section between existing sections, move your mouse over the section, right-click outside the options area, then choose Add Above or Add Below. To delete a section, move your mouse over the section, right-click outside the options area, and then click the minus icon to remove it. When you're happy with your section layout, click Save in the toolbar so your changes go live for your visitors. And that's it. With sections, you can build full-width layouts, add visual structure, and easily manage how content flows down your page.